Guys, today I'm going to show you how we can type a number starting with the 0 in MS Excel. Welcome back to our Learn in a Minute video series where we can learn about computer, internet, applications and much more in just a minute. Guys, normally when we type a number starting with the 0, Excel hides those zeros automatically. So to type a number starting with the 0, all you have to do is just right click on the cell where you want to type a number, then click on Format Cells. Now select the text from here, then click on OK. Now type your number starting with the 0. So guys, this is how we can type the number starting with the 0 in MS Excel. So that's it guys for this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one.